Rub this on your foot, and your cold might disappear almost instantly. All you need is regular iodine. Iodine has numerous health benefits that can help boost your immune system. Scientific studies have shown that iodine may prevent upper respiratory infections and aid in their treatment.
Natural mask that removes blackheads and pimples. Preparation takes only 5 minutes. Prepare 4 aspirin tablets. It contains acetylsalicylic acid, which helps fight acne. It exfoliates and softens the skin. Lay out a piece of plastic wrap on a board, then place the tablets on it and cover with another layer of plastic wrap. Using a hammer, crush the tablets into powder. This will help them dissolve faster. Transfer the powder to a bowl. Add a tablespoon of plain yogurt. It is rich in vitamin B and proteins, soothing irritations, and promoting skin regeneration. Like a soothing dressing, it helps reduce redness and discoloration. Add a tablespoon of honey. Mix everything together. Honey is an antioxidant that blocks free radicals, helping to maintain youthful skin. Finally, add almond oil. It gently moisturizes the skin without leaving a greasy layer. This oil effectively rebuilds the skin's hydrolipidic barrier. Thoroughly mix the mask to achieve a uniform consistency. It takes literally 5 minutes to prepare, and its effects are wonderful. Apply the mask to the face and neck. Leave it on for 15 minutes. During this time, the ingredients will penetrate the skin. Rinse with lukewarm water, gently massaging. Aspirin helps remove dead skin cells. Blackheads and pimples won't stand a chance.
Place this on your foot. Just one ingredient, and you won't need to spend money at the pharmacy anymore. My grandmother always used this method, and it works overnight. Here's how. Take 1 red onion and chop it into small pieces. Next, grab a paper towel and spread the chopped onion evenly on it. Place this mixture against the sole of your foot and wrap your foot with plastic wrap. The plastic wrap helps the onion's compounds absorb into your skin. Onions are rich in sulfur compounds, which give them their distinctive smell. When applied to the feet, these compounds penetrate the body, helping to fight bacteria and viruses while cleansing the blood of toxins. Put on socks to secure everything in place. If possible, leave it on overnight or for at least 4 hours. The onion also stimulates various pressure points on the feet, helping to relax the entire body while drawing out toxins through the skin. This simple, natural remedy is an easy way to detox your body without lifting a finger and without spending a fortune at the pharmacy. Cut the cotton pads in half and place them in the fridge. The next morning, you won't believe the results. Use regular cotton pads that you usually use to remove makeup. Today, I'll show you another use for them. Take scissors and a few cotton pads. Cut them in half. Pour a bit of green tea leaves into a glass. Pour hot water over them. Do not brew with boiling water. Green tea contains many vitamins. Loose leaf tea, not tea bags, has more health benefits. It has anti-atherogenic and anti-cancer properties. When the infusion cools down, prepare a small bowl and pour a few teaspoons of tea into it. Add a small amount of coconut oil. A bit at the tip of the teaspoon is enough. The oil will dissolve in the warm tea. Coconut oil has antibacterial, anti-inflammatory, and antiviral properties. Place the cotton pads in the bowl with oil and tea. When they soak, place the bowl in the fridge. This way you can store them longer. Stretch the soaked pads before use and apply them under your eyes. Leave on for 20 minutes. Dark circles under the eyes will disappear. Such a mask stimulates blood circulation and moisturizes. Use regularly every morning or at night, and you will be pleasantly surprised by the results. Place the stones on a baking tray and put them in the oven. This trick will change the rest of your life. Heated stones could become the most important thing you'll discover this year. So next time you're on a walk, at your cottage, or in a field with a farmer friend, gather a basket of stones, from small to medium-sized ones. You'll find them everywhere on any field. They are literally everywhere and very valuable. Take them home and rinse them off. No need to scrub them, but you can get rid of most of the dirt. Then take a baking tray and lay a dark towel, cloth, or gauze diaper on it. Place the gathered stones on the tray. Arrange them however you like. We gathered stones from the field. I don't collect stones from rivers or lakes for this trick. Put the tray in the oven and heat the stones. They should be warm, not hot. Lay a towel on the floor or carpet and place the tray of stones on it. This becomes a portable mat. Take off your socks and step onto the stones. Walk on them for a few minutes to start. Then gradually increase the time to several minutes each day. Walking on warm stones helps cleanse your body and stimulates the receptors of all your vital organs. With time, stepping on stones will get easier, and your body will become healthier. Your body will be triggered to self-heal. This is one of the few methods that are simple yet effective for the whole body. People with joint pain will start walking again. They will feel a surge of energy and regain their health. Add lime to your Nivea cream to give it properties comparable to luxurious cosmetics. While this recipe may sound strange, I guarantee you'll start doing it yourself. Lime has many uses for both home and health. Citrus fruits are rich in vitamins and minerals. The vitamin C in lime has antioxidant and brightening effects. It also stimulates collagen production. When combined with Nivea cream, it creates a product that saves you both time and money. To half a jar of Nivea cream, add about 1 small teaspoon of lime juice. Then, add 2 tablespoons of powdered milk, which contains natural lactic acid, providing hydration and exfoliation. Mix well. Also, add just under a small teaspoon of petroleum jelly. Petroleum jelly locks in moisture, making the skin more hydrated and elastic. Mix everything together. This combination of 3 ingredients creates a fantastic cosmetic. Apply this mask to wrinkles or dry spots on your skin. Gently massage it in and leave it on for about 20 minutes. Regular use improves the skin's texture, giving it a fresh, youthful appearance. This mask can be used for many purposes. Squeeze toothpaste onto your feet. See what happened to them. This recipe is cheap and incredibly simple. Take a bowl and add 2 tablespoons of salt. Salt contains many microelements that strengthen the nail plate and accelerate its growth. Next, squeeze a tablespoon of toothpaste. Add it to the bowl with salt. Besides removing discoloration, toothpaste has antibacterial properties. Mix these 2 ingredients until you get a smooth consistency. Then add a tablespoon of coconut oil, which has deep moisturizing effects. Apply the mixture to your feet. It soothes and relaxes the feet after a long day. Also, apply it to your toenails. Gently rub and massage the nail plate. This will help remove impurities and get rid of bacteria and microorganisms that can accumulate under the nails. Leave the treatment on for 10 minutes. After this time, you will see the effects of this extraordinary mask. Perform this treatment regularly, your nails will become stronger.